What if I told you that people are still getting free Zems on Zepeto without hacking, without scams, and without risking their account? In this video, I'm going to show you every legit way to earn free Zems that still works, what no longer works, and how adults are using these methods strategically. Okay? And if you stay until the end, I'm going to show you a step-by-step with my real phone on what I do to get free Zems every single day. Okay? Without delay, without procrastination. I do it every single day. All right? It's the first thing. So, in saying that, hello everybody, it's me, Granny Gems, and let me tell you something. Welcome back to my channel where we talk Zepeto tutorials, metaverse money, and adult creator strategy. And if you are new here, welcome. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notification because I post step-by-step Zepeto tutorials that actually works in real life. Alright, before we get started, here's my intro. Well, everybody. Okay, listen. Let me tell you something. Now, let's talk about how to get free Zems on Zepeto in the right way. Okay, but first, let's be clear on what Zems actually are. Zems are Zepeto's premium in-game currency. Alright? Zems are used for avatar items, creator content, limited drops, some monetization features. Alright? Zems matter because they unlock access, and access is how you move from just playing actually building something. So you no longer play. Okay? You build something. You learn how to actually grow on Zepeto. I'm just saying. Okay? And in 2026, because that's where we are now, Zepeto is still very much a creator economy. Okay, not just the app for kids. So, let's make that very clear. Zepeto is changing in 2026. They are gearing more towards the adult field, more so than just the kids. I'm just letting you know, and I'm being clear and honest. Alright? So, in saying that, let's talk more. Yes, the boring answer is it still works as far as getting Zems, but daily logins, missions inside the worlds, participation rewards are the foundation for getting Zems. Okay? It's definitely the foundation. Most people ignore these because they're impatient, alright? But consistency stacks. Meaning you gotta be consistent. You gotta do your daily logins. You gotta do your missions. This is how you get free Zems. Alright? Now, in saying that, adults who log in strategically, not randomly, earn more over time. Ooh. That's the difference between adults and the children that play Zepeto. I'm just being honest. Adults are more consistent. They wake up. They either go to work or go to school or so forth and so on, but they create a routine where they log into Zepeto and they do their daily missions. That's the difference between the adults and the children. I'm just saying. Okay? Zepeto constantly runs time-limited events. So with the time-limited events, especially during the holidays and brand participation, seasonal challenges, sponsored worlds, participation bonuses all come at a specific time. And if you miss it and you don't participate, you won't get the free Zems that they give. Alright? It just ain't gonna just pop into your account. It doesn't do that. You got to participate. Alright? So these events are where Zepeto quietly gives out free Zems. Alright? I'm just saying. If you skip these events, you're leaving currency on the table. It is what it is. Okay? So that's why consistency is very important. This is one huge, and most people miss it. That's the most hugest thing. So, in saying that, let's keep on going. Official creator giveaways, community Discord, verified creator campaigns. The key is to follow actual creators, not scam pages. Alright? If a page asks for your login, run away real fast, real quick. Okay? Some worlds are built specifically to reward engagement. Alright? Mini games, obstacle courses, event-based challenges. Oh, they got some wonderful worlds out there in Zepeto where you can get legitimate Zems. But you got to do it. Alright? Zems is just not going to just pop into your account. You got to put the effort in. Alright? So, these worlds are often used to test new mechanics, and rewards are higher during testing phases. If you find a brand new world and they just want to test some features out, you are lucky. You are so lucky, because guess what? They're going to go ahead and they are going to give as many Zems as possible to get many people to play so they can make tests. So they can test different features. Alright? So, in saying that, let's continue. Sorry, I had to rant. In this year, Zepeto still partners with platforms and brands, app-based promotions, campaign bonuses, regional incentives. I mean, it goes on and on and on. And guess who reaps the benefit? The Zepeto players. The Zepeto players are the ones who reap all of the benefits. Okay? So, in saying that, now let's talk about what doesn't work anymore. So, Zems generators don't work. Mod APKs, nope. Fake reward links, nope. Don't click on nothing that is not legitimate. Unlimited Zem videos, nope. None of those videos you see on YouTube and all of that other stuff, nope, they do not work. I'm telling you, they don't work. None of them work. There is no legitimate way. Alright? So, these will get your account banned, not rewarded, locked, shadowed, whatever you want to call it, and you will not grow on Zepeto. Okay? If it sounds too good to be true, it is. If it sounds too good to be true, it definitely is. Alright? So, in saying that, free Zems equal starter capital. Starter capital equal testing content. Testing content equal monetization insight. What do y'all mean by all of that? Listen, I'm speaking the language of adults. So if the children is listening and watching to this, unfortunately it might go over your head a little bit. But listen, I'm saying diligence, logging in every day, doing all of the fun things that Zepeto has to offer. Okay? Watching your ads. Oh my goodness, that is golden. You gotta watch ads. No matter what nobody says. You gotta watch ads. Okay? So, free Zems help you learn the system without risk. Okay? And once you understand the system, that's when Zepeto becomes a business. Alright? So, for those of you who looking for free Zems, the free Zems, I'm gonna show you step by step, coming up soon, through my phone. Okay, and how we actually go step by step to get the free daily Zems. Free daily Zems. But if you're trying to make a business, I'm going to show you how to get free Zems so you can go live and give out your free Zems that you earn. That's what it is. It's a circle. Okay, so you gotta grind. I used to grind for hours, okay? Now, in saying that, if you're serious about Zepeto beyond just playing, if you want to learn how adults are turning virtual platforms into real income streams, join my Metaverse Millionaires. Yes, join my Metaverse Millionaires. Okay, so the link is below, and inside I break down monetization strategies, creator tools, and real-world business thinking for the metaverse. Real business thinking. in particular for the metaverse. It's all about the metaverse. Listen, baby, it's a brand new year. Things is changing. People want to make more money. People want to get into businesses. People want to start earlier. If you would have started YouTube about 10 or 15 years ago, baby, you'd be A-okay. But guess what? You started late. So being that you're just getting started, now is the time to catch up with Zepeto. Zepeto is a legitimate business income strategy. All right? And I'm teaching it. So, basically, like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. Okay? That notification bell will tell you when I post a brand new video. In saying that, let's show you live, step by step, on how to get the free Zems daily. All right? Stay tuned. Hey everybody, now that I'm in my phone, let me take you step by step to the areas where you generate your free Zems daily. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to the home screen, which is here. This is the home screen. And as you can see, let's see, auto select here. This area here is everything you need to know about where to get your avatar, your quest, benefits, character, and club area. Okay, so where it says right here, benefits, this is where you need to be, right here in this area, benefits. Okay, so once you click on that, let's get clicking. All right, let's go to it. Benefits. In this area here, this is the area where everyone is going to get their free Zems. All right, so you got your winter. Remember I mentioned earlier that we have various different types of events. So you got your winter area. Okay, free Zems here. This is where you get, you do your missions and you play games. Then you have your challenges. These are your various different type of challenges. All right, which the very first one says you got to watch ads. So you need to watch your ads, all right, in order to get Zems. Okay, we have our collectible areas, which is different type of sponsors, so forth and so on. And then we have Lucky Box. The Lucky Box is primarily for a lot of items, but sometimes it could be Zems as well. And here's all your scratches. So these are the different tabs that you would definitely click on in order to get free Zems. No other place. There is nothing that you need to do on the outside of the app to get free Zems. Okay, unless you're playing an emoji game or some type of game with me and I give you code shop. But other than that, okay, free Zems is in the benefits area. Okay, so this is how you get your free Zems. Now also you got the quest here, but not all the time do they give you Zems for your quest. But benefits, this is where you need to be. All right, and you get your free Zems here. All right, so as of right now, all I have to say to everyone is that you need to definitely work hard. All right, work hard, play your games, play different Zepeto affiliated games. You can go into different worlds. There's so many ways to get free Zems. I want you to enjoy Zepeto as a platform and not be hindered from not being able to purchase your items to make your avatar beautiful, or, you know, be involved with any type of event when it comes to gifting your creators, or being live as a creator and gifting your audience. You want to be able to do that. So the best way to do it is take advantage of the free daily Zems, do your missions, all right? And I'm come up with some more hints and tricks when it comes to getting free Zems. So stay tuned, everybody. Until the next time, everybody, have a great day. Bye.